What's good, BFM? This is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions, Beats and Feasts. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. I don't know. I guess the older I get, the more these meals and little things that I used to eat with as a child, they just bring more nostalgia to me. So today we're going to do something my dad introduced to me, just good old smoked sausage sandwich. But I'm going to add egg to it. He used to just give me smoked sausage on the bread with some mustard, and I was in heaven. That's what we're going to do today. And if this brings back memories for you, I hope it does. Or if you're still eating it, I always eat it. So, hey guys, if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. Let's get started with some smoked sausage sandwich. The supporting cast is just this simple. I got some kielbasa, Polish kielbasa smoked sausage today. Sometimes you can use any kind of smoked sausage you want, but this is what I'm using today. Actually, that's what they had at the store. Just some good old white bread. You can put it on a bun or brioche or whatever you want to put it on. A couple eggs. I got some processed cheese. I'm going to put this on there today. Just some salt and pepper. It's that simple, guys. But we're gonna go ahead and get this started over on the griddle. This is my Steelmadeusa grill. If you guys want one of these, I love the investment. If you want one of these, all you got to do is follow my link, the first link in my description of this video, or you can follow what's here on the screen. Steelmadeusa grill. Great product, guys. It turns your stovetop into a flat top in a matter of seconds. So this is what I'm using today. Go check it out. It's holiday season. Get one for your mom, your dad, your husband, your wife, your aunt, your uncle. It's a great investment, guys. But let's get started with this. Put a little bit of butter on the grill. Mostly for my eggs here. We're going to take the good old smoked sausage, just throw it right down on the grill, and I like to cut mine open. We're just going to cut lengthwise here all the way down. And I'm going to cut it in half right here. We're going to split these open and flip them over. Just like that. Simple as that, guys. We're going to let those cook. Takes about 3-4 minutes per side. Get a nice caramelization on either side. So I flip my sausage over here. Just when I get that nice brown caramelization, I'm going to start my eggs now. We're going to crack 2 eggs. I'm just doing good old fried eggs. I don't like a runny yolk, so these will be hard fried eggs for me. Alright, we're going to add a little salt and a little pepper to the eggs. A little pink Himalayan salt. A little black pepper. And I'm going to go in and crack my yolk here. Let that run out nice, and then I'll flip it over here in just a moment. While that's going, I'm going to add a little bit more butter here to the griddle. And I'm going to toast up my bread here. And like I said, I'm just using good old white bread, because that's what brings me back to my old days. Toast up a little bread there. Look at that caramelization there. Woo-hoo. Flip it back over for a little bit. There we go. Ah, yeah, look at that. That's what I'm talking about. So I'm going to move those over just a little bit here. And I'm going to grab a piece of my cheese. Put that on it. Let it melt a little bit. Let that cheese melt. In the meantime, flip my eggs over just a little bit. There we go. Cook those for a second on that side. Flip my bread over a little bit. Look at that toast. And I'm going to plate this up for you here in just a moment, guys. Smoked sausage, egg, and cheese sandwich on just plain old white bread brings me back home with my pops waking up. First thing you hear is, boy, you want a smoked sausage sandwich? But hey guys, you know what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for that bite. Smoked sausage, egg, and cheese. It's plain old white bread. Brings me back to the good old days. And by the way, guys, if you want one of those griddles, Steelmadeusa.com. All you gotta do is click on the first link in my description. It takes you right over there. It gives you 10% off. So it's a perfect holiday gift. So go check it out. But let me get into this sandwich. Oh. Boy, y'all be ashamed of yourself. Hey guys, go ahead and get one of these and make it up for your family. I'm sure they're gonna love it. Hey, if you like the video, excuse me. If you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Make sure you share the video. And hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.